to the right of my finger. That is Essential Trimmers. Well, Battle, it's time for me to get a new drop light. The very first time I used this drop light, the hook broke and it ended up inside the hood skin of my 96 Oldsmobile. But I just put fuel in the back of the 71 and I had the drop light magnets securing it to the hood, but I caught the cord and it fell and it chipped the paint on my 71 right here. I'm sure you can see it. So I have some touch-up paint. I guess we'll go ahead and brush a little bit on. You can actually maybe see a little bit of paint chipped right here because the hood rubs a little bit. It isn't squared away. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and touch up that paint. If your car is a Concours restoration, then you might want to have the professionals fix any paint flaws. But like I said in a previous video, I painted my 71 Oldsmobile by taking an auto body course, and I used single stage urethane in the OE color. So got some 300 grit sandpaper here. Denatured alcohol. This N95 mask didn't do the job. I'm sure you can hear now. I have my respirator on. And the garage doors are open. This stuff is pretty darn stinky. You want to make sure you use PPE, Battle. Come on, old 64. There it is, Battle, to the left of my pointer finger. You know, I never cut and buffed the paint after I sprayed it, so maybe that's what I should do. Remove the nose piece. Strip the paint and repaint it. Well, yeah, I suppose, but then I gave it a good stir, so it'll work. I touched up the spot right there, and I touched up the spot right there. That is the paint chip that I corrected. I just brushed a little bit of paint on there, and I have yet to hit it with any wet sandpaper, but it'll look pretty good for the Coffee and Cars if I can actually get my 71 there coming up. But thanks for checking out what I was doing in the shop today, Battle. Make sure you check out these other videos that I did on my 71 Oldsmobile in the past. And I'll see you next time, Battle. Come on, old 64.